Let me ask you this question. What would you do with $10,000 right now? Drop it in the comment section because with this high inflation environment, everything is going up from rent, food, and your general cost of living. But the only thing that is not going up is your paycheck. And this is why a lot of people that I'm running into is having credit problems because of cash flow. And so in this video, I'm going to show you 4 gig apps that you can make $25 an hour in your own spare time. And along with working these types of gig apps, you can get a $10,000 loan with no credit check, and it will not impact your credit score in this video. Now, a lot of people don't understand when you're a 1099 contractor, like working for different gig companies, you're essentially a small business. And by making money as a small business, this opens you up for business credit cards and business funding. Please understand when you get business credit cards, generally they'll give you a larger line of credit because you are in business. And many of you guys really need to start looking to exercise by getting this business credit cards and funding. And you can set it up where it doesn't report on your personal credit score, and you can hide some of your utilization. A lot of your credit scores are down because you're carrying balances on your personal credit report. And by setting up business credit and doing gig work and being a 1099 contractor, you need to move your way to the business side of credit. Now, this first company, you're going to be able to make $25 an hour in your own spare time. And we're going to discuss later that $10,000 loan by doing these gig jobs that you can qualify for. First app on my list is TaskRabbit, and you can make more than that standard $25 an hour. As you can see, just being a help with someone moving is $60 per hour in my area. So you can do different tasks that fits in your skill set to make some extra money. For the category of cleaning, which anybody can do, you can make $46 per hour. So you can make money in your own spare time above that $25 an hour mark. Hey, you guys, let me stop for a second. YouTube is telling me 50% of you guys watching me is not subscribed to this channel. So if you like these kind of videos and content, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. And at my website, you guys, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package. So you need to go and pick that up because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. And I have other packages for purchase to help you remove your negative items. And I rolled out my elite credit system that features my credit coaching along with my AI software. And users like Sean has seen an improvement in their credit score within 6 months. He went from a 612 credit score with all his credit scores being over 750 and one score close to being 800. So if you want my help and want these options, please click the links here in the pinned comment section and the description of the video. So let's get back into it. Next on our list is Amazon Flex. Now with Amazon Flex, you can book 4-hour different shifts that you can work in your spare time to make money. Amazon Flex work by step 1, reserving a block. Step 2, making deliveries. And step 3, getting paid. Enjoy your life and repeat. And you can make $18 up to $25 an hour. And Amazon Flex is available across the nation. Next is Walmart Spark. So as a Spark driver, you will be picking up deliveries from Walmart and delivering it to their customers. And with Walmart being so big, you have a Walmart most likely near you, and you may have multiple Walmarts in your area. So you can do this in your own spare time to make extra cash, up to $25 an hour. And nothing is stopping you from signing up for Walmart Spark and Amazon Flex if you want to have multiple delivery app jobs to make the most money. Last but not least is Grubhub, and it's a food delivery service just like DoorDash and Uber Eats, but Grubhub has been known to pay their drivers for their delivery at a higher rate. So you can check out Grubhub compared to Uber Eats or DoorDash. And with the good thing about Uber Eats, they do keep 100% of your tips, and you create your own flexible schedule so you can work as you feel like it in your own free time. And with Grubhub, one thing you need to know, it's not available in every single state or every area. So you can check out is Grubhub in your area. But if not, you still have the options of doing DoorDash and Uber Eats and all these gig apps you can do in your own spare time by your own schedule. Now I showed you these gig apps where you can make you some extra money. Let's go over here and check out this loan that you guys can get. And there is no credit check, and it will not affect your credit score by getting this loan. And it goes all the way up to $10,000, and that credit is okay. Now, this company is called Fundo, and with Fundo, this is a merchant cash advance, and this is perfect for gig workers to get funding up to $10,000 in hours. And applying for this will not affect your credit score. Here's how it works. You're simply going to apply by providing them with some basic information, and they're going to connect to your bank account via Plaid. Then you will get approved. They'll verify your transactions, and they can approve you in minutes. Then you can get your funds the same day, and they'll be available by 3 p.m. Now, this would be subject to review and approval. Fundo is offered to various types of businesses like freelancers that drive Uber, Lyft, rideshare, handyman, TaskRabbit, and small businesses, truckers, taxis, beauty salons, and bodegas, and contractors. So event planners, home health aides, and others, and sellers and franchisers. So Amazon, Etsy, and things in that category. And if you're a 1099 contractor in any way, you can see if you qualify. Fundo have very little requirements to qualify. You just need a bank account to be able to connect to Plaid and to make a minimum of $1,500 a month and be in business for 3 months in order to qualify for Fundo. Now, with Fundo, understanding this is a merchant cash advance, so they're giving you a loan off of your future payments. And so what you're making in that business, you will be able to pay that back, and they'll pay it back out of your proceeds as you work. But unlike a regular loan, they don't offer like a fixed payment where you have to pay back $300 a month. It can reduce the less money that you make as you are working in your business. So they understand as a gig worker, your pay may go up and down. And so it gives you that advantage of not having a fixed payment every month. So there's no credit check, and then you don't have to worry about not being approved or even a personal guarantee for this type of loan, and it will not affect your credit score. But one thing you do have to understand with the downside of that, it is going to be a higher interest rate when you do these types of loans because there's more risk involved for the lender. So just review your options if you take this and look at the numbers and see if it makes sense for you. But this can be a good option if you're trying to expand your business or if you want to pay off some debt that is pressing now to help you be able to scale, or maybe if you need to pay down a credit card to help increase your credit score. And this can be a way for you to get those funds. And by paying down your credit card, that'll help your utilization and could help your credit score skyrocket. Now, hopefully this information was helpful to you. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. But if you have more detailed questions for me, go to my website and submit your questions, and all your question goes directly to my cell phone. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.